I am a professional website customizer and website specialist with hands-on experience in building, customizing, and optimizing websites that drive results. I offer a wide range of website demo designs tailored for businesses, blogs, portfolios, and e-commerce sites. Whether you are looking for a clean and modern layout, an engaging user interface, or a fully SEO optimized structure, I have many demo samples to match your needs. I help our clients firstly choose the right design from my collection for ready-made demos and and customize every part of the website to fit their brand, and then optimize site speed, mobile responsiveness, and on-page SEO. Finally, ensure the website ranks well on Google and attract targeted visitors. Moreover, let's build a website that not only looks great but performs even better. Feel free to check out my demo website. I'm confident you will find the perfect match for your vision.